I done came a long way like I was K-Slay. In my heyday, I was young and productive.
Still productive.
You gotta love it, if you hate it, I don't give a fuck. Cause whether you suckers like it or not, I get a lot of love. They tryna hold me back, but I'm a fucking boss. Nobody telling me shit, that's how you cut a loss.
Before it happened,
I gotta try to keep my sanity. Lord knows I gotta try to stay away from vanity. I only troll fine bitches.
hey guys, I just want to say something real quick about Taskrabbit that I really like. This is one of those really important videos because Taskrabbit is a real life changer. Let me explain. So every now and then, when you're working as a tasker on the Taskrabbit platform, every now and then you're gonna get a customer that doesn't want to hire you again because you didn't do a perfect job or you made a little mistake. Shit happens. Now, the beauty of Taskrabbit is the fact that there is no one person that can stop your bag. There is no one person that can say, I don't like this guy. Grr. I'm not hiring him again or her again, and that's gonna hurt their pockets. There's no such thing on this platform. You wanna know why? Because we depend on the industry, not on you. We don't depend on you to make money, honey. We depend on the industry. The industry lines our pockets. So there is no single person or company or entity that can stop a tasker from lining their pockets but the tasker. This is what I love about this company. It's my pleasure to be a part of this company and to be a part of this opportunity, guys. I think that you should jump on. If you're not a part of the wave, you need to jump on, become a tasker, and line your pockets like we're lining our pockets. I know about taskers that are making $60 an hour, $70 an hour, even $100 an hour, okay? And even more. You could set your own rate. Sky's the limit, baby. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say in this video. Just wanted to let you guys know that no one can hold you back but you. And another important note, this is the note I'm going to leave off on. After every successfully completed task, you must ask your client for a positive worded review. Because if you don't ask them for a positive worded review and they just give you a 5-star review or no review at all, okay? If they just give you 5 stars, my mistake. If they just give you 5 stars or no review at all, that doesn't count. It has to be a 5-star worded review. Even if they just put one word like great or this was awesome, you know, they could put anything they want as long as there's words included with the 5 stars that they give you. That's when it counts toward you getting more business. And trust me, you will get more business, okay? Anyway, you already know who it is. Peace.
Hella paper flowing to me from separate sources. So much dope in the bank, it's hard to count the losses. The last of a giant breed, yeah, I'm talking bosses. Made of money, I made of money. Hella paper flowing to me from separate sources. So much dope in the bank, it's hard to count the losses. The last of a giant breed, yeah, I'm talking bosses. Made of money, I made of money. You can keep that $30, boy, I made of money. That's lesson learned, yo, that's why it's hard to trust.